is up, guys? In today's video we will learn how to download and install a text editor. Text editor is any software that allows a user to write and edit texts. Programmers therefore use them to write programs. There are many text editors out there. We have the well-known Notepad, VS Code, Sublime Text, Atom, Notepad++, PyCharm, to list a few. On a factual point, text editors are not the best software for writing and editing programs. The best software for that are the IDEs. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. They are powerful software for writing and editing programs. You know why I call them powerful? Simply because they combine useful tools for building programs. One of those tools is the debugger, which basically allows programmers to identify and rectify errors in their programs. Another tool is the translator, which might be either of compiler and interpreter, depending on which programming language the IDE is built for. Since Java programs get compiled first and then get interpreted, the translator built into Java IDEs are both compiler and interpreter. The text editor that is embedded into IDE is a type that predefines the structure of the programming language it is designed for. Hence, you don't have to crack your brain to remember the keywords, how they are spelled, and how they are arranged. Everything is done for you. Indeed, IDEs cover more than 50% of the effort programmers need to put forward when writing programs. Some of the IDEs designed for building Java programs are Apache NetBeans, IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, Kite, etc. Improbably, this course is completely designed for beginners. Therefore, it will be unhelpful to start with Java IDEs, since they take off more than 50% of the effort it takes to write Java programs. Consequently, we would fully leverage on text editors so as to get used to the structure, the primary keywords, and even how to compile and execute Java programs. For more familiarity, we would use Notepad++ as the text editor of choice. Basically because that is what we use at beginners level here in computer science department at ABU Zaria. So I highly recommend that you follow the steps I am about to show you so you can download and install Notepad++. Having said a lot, let's get started. Trust me, downloading Notepad++ is one of the easiest things you would ever encounter. So the first step is to open a browser. In my case, I am going with Google Chrome. Let me go ahead and double click on it. Yes, we have it open. Now go ahead in the address field up here and type Notepad++. I already have it here, so I'll just go ahead and click it. So the first link we get here is an official link coming from Notepad. You can tell by this URL up here. So let's go ahead and click on it. So here we can see a long list of different versions. Let's go ahead and click on the first one because it is the latest version. We are one click away from the download, but here too we have a bunch of options that we have to talk about. You can see here, if you're on 32-bit system, this is the one for you. I am on 64-bit system and this is the latest release. Here is the release date up here, 1st January 2022. So let's go ahead and click on it to get it downloaded. And here at the bottom left corner we can see it downloading. Yes, so quick, our download has been accomplished. Let's go and click on it to get it opened. Now the installation is pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and click OK, choosing English as the language. Next. This dialog states the terms, conditions, and the alliances. So go ahead and click on I agree. Click on next. Click on next. And here we have it installing. Beautiful, our installation is completed. And you can see here this checkbox has been checked automatically, meaning once we go ahead and click on finish, the software will run itself. So let's click on finish and get it opened. And here we have the Notepad++ open. Let's maximize it and take a look at it. So these are some dummy texts. Let's go ahead and highlight everything and delete them. So this lightweight software is what we call the Notepad++, and it is what we will be using to write our Java programs for the meantime. So let's go ahead and play with it a little bit. At this point, you have all that it takes to start writing a Java program. It is an exciting thing to me to see that you are progressing. I am really happy. That is all for this video. See you in the very next one.